Guys, everyone knows that Command C and Command V is used for copying, but did you know that there are multiple tricks to it? Well, let's get started. So if you didn't know, I will still show you how to copy and paste. So I will open up an article over here, or in this case, Mac OS Sequoia 15.2 release notes. So if I want to copy anything, let's just say I want to copy the overview. I have selected the overview. Now I want to press Command plus C and then go to an app I want to use. And now I will press Command plus V. And here you can see the notes have been copied as is. If you want to change it, and you can just go and select body here and you are done. And that applies for files as well. So if I go to Finder, here you can see I have two files. And if let's just say I want to take these two, I can hit Command C and I can go to file 2, and if I just press even option, here you can see move 2 items here. So if I were to press option command plus V, it is actually going to move 2 items over here. So if I go back here, you can see 2 items are missing because they have been moved. So option is the key for you to move items. In case you're coming from Windows, it could be tricky initially because you are probably used to control plus X, but here you can just use an option key. Guys, let's just say I copy this word requirements. I use command plus C, and now I want to know whether it's copied to my clipboard. Can I see my clipboard? Well, of course you can see your clipboard. Just go to the Finder. It is necessary that you have Finder over here on the top left, and here you can see in edit you can go to show clipboard, and here we have the word that we just copied. It is requirements. But what happens if I go back to my page? This window is going to disappear. You can't see it until you go back to Finder. So here we have an Apple Incorporation Wikipedia page. I want to copy the first paragraph, let's just say for my project, and I'll go back to my application. So here if I paste it, here you can see everything that we had, like all the formatting from Wikipedia has also come over here. So we don't want it, so we'll just take it away. And if I go to edit, here we have paste, match and style. So if I place that, all the formatting has gone away, or your default formatting right here you can see has come. So no links, no apostrophe, no brackets is going to apply over here. It is just going to be plain text. So guys, here we have another article, and for this article, let's just say I want to take this part and create another part of it, like another section for it. And now let's just say we have 2 paragraphs. So for this paragraph, maybe I want a different color scheme. For this paragraph, let's just say I want a different color scheme, or maybe a different font for that matter. And here we have multiple other things, right? So if I want to make this in red color, or for this, let's just go ahead and change. So guys, I have made multiple changes to this paragraph. Let's just say for the red part, I want the same red part for the paragraph below. Do I have to go through all the settings over here? Do I have to select all of this and then change it over here? The font, the style, the points, everything. Not really. We can just select this paragraph. We can go to format and we can say copy style, or you can also use option command and C. So let's use that. And for the paragraph below, let's just go to format and click on paste style, and here you can see the exact style has been copied automatically. You need not go and change the settings manually. If you didn't know, this is also called Format Painter in Microsoft Word. So that's a tip in case you use Microsoft Word as well. So guys, let's just say I want to take a screenshot and I want the destination of the screenshot to be on the clipboard. What can I do? Well, let's just press Command Shift and 5. Then we have options for screenshot. For now, it won't show you other options like screen recording because I am currently recording the screen, but you can actually select, let's just say capture entire screen. We can go to options, and here we have options to save to desktop, documents, clipboard, mail, and other options as well. So let's just say I want to save it to clipboard, and if I capture now, it is not actually going to save it anywhere but the clipboard. If I want to check the clipboard out, let's just go to edit. We can see show clipboard, and here you can see in clipboard we have the exact same screenshot. So I can go to, let's just say, this document again. I can press Command plus V, and here you can see our screen has now been pasted. So like that, you can take multiple screenshots as well. And the shortcut for this is you hit Control Shift Command and 3. So those are a lot of keys. Maybe you can just hit Command Shift and 5. Again, our screenshot has been taken. So that's a shortcut for it. But what if you want to copy text from a screenshot? Well, let's just say I am in settings and I want to copy the text in this section. For that, I again go Command Shift and 5. We remember we have changed our destination to clipboard. I want to go to desktop this time, and I'll hit capture. And here you can see we have our screenshot. So to select text, I can just go ahead and select it like that. I can copy it. Maybe I want to put it in a document, and I can just paste it like so. So it is very easy to even copy text from your screenshots. Hopefully guys, this video has been helpful. If you have, drop a like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one.